I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box. It's a Hyundai Tucson. You're going to open up the driver's side door. Right here where your left foot would be, you're going to see this hood release. You're going to pull that. You'll hear it pop in the front. And go up to the front of the vehicle. Right here where the Hyundai symbol is, you're going to go straight up with your hand upside down. Put your hand in, pull up. You're going to lift. And then you're going to grab this here. It's going to connect right there. Lower the hood. Your fuse and relay box is right here on the right side of the vehicle. There's going to be two tabs. One in the front. Push that back. Pull this one forward. And that's your fuse and relay box. If you look inside the owner's mat, it'll tell you, and as well as right here, it gives you some of the information for what. Now that you're in your fuse and relay box, if you're having an issue with your front power outlet, there's a fuse puller right here, and it's this second 20 amp fuse from the top here, and you just take your spare right there with your fuse puller. First pull this one out, pull the 20 amp out, replace it, and see if that fixes your problem. Click, make sure it clicks tight. You don't want any water or debris getting in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
Arr!